Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device and you may either tap on the Get Started button or tap on the account icon at the top left corner where you will once again see the Get Started button. When you tap on this, you will be taken into the sign in page. Just enter your email address or your phone number within the given section and tap on the next button. Now you are prompted to enter your password. Tap on the Forgot Password button underneath the password box, and after entering your email address, tap on the Send button underneath the verification code box. Now once you solve the small CAPTCHA, you can check your inbox to search for your verification code. Once you find your verification code, you can simply enter it within the given box and then tap on the Continue button. You will now be allowed to create your new password. Type in your desired password within the Create Password section and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the next button and you will be told that your withdrawals and peer-to-peer transfers will be put on hold for 24 hours. Tap on the OK button and now your password has successfully been reset. You can tap on the Go to Login button to proceed with logging in using your new password. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.